Kinundina ng Miss Universe Philippines Organization ang kamakailang video commentary ng isang vlogger tungkol kay Miss Universe Asia 2024 Chelsea Manalo. Kinundina ng Miss Universe Philippines Organization ang inasal ng pageant vlogger at content creator na si Adam Genato. Dag-ugat ang kondena ng MUPH sa isang viral video na nagpapakita sa opinyon ni Genato tungkol sa resulta ng Miss Universe 2024 na ginanap sa Mexico City noong November 16, 2024. Mapapanood sa naturang video ang bahagi ng pahayag na ito ni Genato. Kung si Atisa Manalo ang ipinadala natin ngayon dito sa Mexico or even si Christy McGarry, Diyos ko siguro Lord buong 3 linggo nitong mula October 29 to November 18, siguro hindi na tayo matutulog. Talagang ganon kaingay yung dalawang yon, di ba? Kasi tingnan mo, sino ang pinanalo nila? Si Denmark. Di ba Barbie looking? Sino ba ang closest Barbie looking natin nung nakaraang MUPH? Di ba si Atisa, di ba? Mabilis na kumalat ang video ni Genato na umani ng kritisismo mula sa pageant community. Ito ang dahilan kaya naglabas ang MUPH ng opisyal na pahayag ngayong Biyernes ng umaga, November 22, 2024. Kinundina ng organisasyon ang unfair, insensitive, hurtful at dismissive of her accomplishments, comments ni Genato tungkol kay Chelsea. Tinawag din ng MUPH na responsableng vlogging ang ginawa ni Genato na accredited MUPH media partner na uma-attend sa kanilang events. Dapat daw ay maging maingat ang pageant vlogger sa pagpapahayag ng kanilang opinyon tungkol sa mga kandidatang ipinapadala sa international beauty pageants at iwasan ang pagpahayag ng demeaning statements. Maging responsible raw sana ang nabibigyan ng platform na maging responsible sa mga inilalabas nilang komento at content. Ito ang buong pahayag ng Miss Universe Philippines Organization. The Miss Universe Philippines Organization condemns the recent video commentary of Mr. Adam Genato regarding Miss Universe Asia 2024 Chelsea Manalo. His comments are unfair, insensitive, hurtful, and dismissive of her accomplishments. We do not tolerate irresponsible vlogging, especially from an accredited MUPH media partner whom we have welcomed in our events. For too long, we have allowed such behavior to be tolerated because bashers and haters have been an accepted part of social media. But in reality, we still have a choice to normalize it and speak up against it. We believe that content creators, bloggers, and vloggers should be guided by respect, responsibility, and decency. In particular, we believe pageants vloggers should exercise greater care in expressing opinions about our delegates and refrain from making demeaning statements. We also hope that those who are fortunate enough to earn from their platform should exercise greater amount of responsibility for their commentaries and the context they publish. Making potentially or intentionally controversial statements for clout and engagement, but at the expense of delegate is detestable. We are grateful to our MUPH accredited media partners and mainstream media for tirelessly supporting our queens and the pageant industry. We hope the pageant community can unite in promoting a safe online space for our queens. Kaugnay nito, humingi ng tawad si Genato kay Chelsea sa Miss Universe Philippine Organization at sa lahat ng mga taong nasaktan sa kanyang pahayag. Sa video message na ginawa niya, lumuluha at nagsisising nagpaliwanag si Genato tungkol sa malaking pagkakamaling nagawa niya. Ikinatuwiran ni Genato na hindi niya matanggap ang paratang na plastic at doble cara siya. Saad niya, I simply responded directly to the question. I was asked who do you think should have represented us instead of who do you want to see representing us next year. Sa kabila ng kanyang sinabing there's no excuse in what I did. At pagsisisi na nanatiling negatibo ang mga reaksyon ng mga miyembro ng pageant community sa apology video ni Genato.